Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm going to bring you along for this quick video to show how I make my fried potato gravy. When I made my sausage and tomato gravy, I had mentioned that my papa, Paw, when we were little, and we'd go spend the night with him and Mama, he would make what he called Irish potato gravy. All it is fried potatoes and milk gravy, mix it together. So the amount and all you make is up to you and the size of your family. Here's my potatoes all washed and diced up. I have my oil heating up. I'm going to fry my potatoes till they're done, and then I'll bring you back. Alright, my potatoes are done, so now I'm going to take them out, drain them on some paper towels, drain off a lot of this oil because I won't need it for my gravy. I'm going to make my gravy, and then when my gravy starts to get done, I'll bring you back. I will post links down below on how I make my milk gravy and my homemade biscuits. Alright, my gravy is done. So now I'm just going to go ahead and turn off the heat, add my potatoes back to it. If you wanted to fry up some sausage and add that to it, it would be good too. Remember, I just show you how I make it. If you want to try this out, make it your own. Make it how you and your family like it. So now I'm just going to kind of keep it stirred and keep it warm until my biscuits get done, and then I will bring you back. And here's my finished meal. No, I do not pour it over my biscuits. I ate my biscuits to the side. But it's really good. I will try a bite for you. Brings back a lot of memories. Like I say, if you wanted to add sausage or anything that you like to this, give it a try. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you. Until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all. And I will have links down in the description box. I think how I made gravy was one of my very first videos, like 4 years ago. And how I make biscuits. I'll put them down below in the description box. Bye, y'all.